Welcome to the Architect's Diary, an online digital magazine celebrating Indian architecture and design. Please subscribe for regular updates. This home for an industrialist in Hyderabad is a passionately crafted home. The brief was to conceptualize and bring into reality an amalgamation of two lavish four-bedroom flats into one, elegantly blending into each other spatially, functionally, and aesthetically. Design called in for a lot of changes that ended in achieving a wonderfully functional space. The material palette used across has an Indian charm rightly connected with the contemporary design language. The subtle and light color palette makes it feel more airy, and the neutral colors give a feeling of warmth. Viscous carpets and curtains in subtle shades blends beautifully with the surroundings. The natural colors of the wood is retained in the teakwood doors and veneers. Blue chairs and leather in the living room and the printed fabrics like ikat cast a great deal of contrast with the subtle grey sofas and pale white interiors. The image of Lord Sri Ram in the entrance lobby with the indoor plants, mirrors, and elegant wooden furniture gives one an experience of entering a pious and calm place after coming from the outside bustle. White marble kitchen top stands out in the kitchen amidst the dark grey laminate and beige wooden furniture. A small separate breakfast table is a really wise use of space, enhancing the overall functionality of the kitchen. Living room is connected to the dining area, which follows the same shades in the upholstery of the sleek dining chairs. Red and golden embellishments on the grey granite panel walls adorned with exquisite paintings by various artists make it a home that's unique and speaks volumes about the personality of the homemaker. Landscaping and the cane furniture creates a warm sit-out in the balcony overlooking the beautiful vistas of the city. The sleek black powder coated aluminum partitions divide the spaces seamlessly. The gentle use of brass and copper adds up to the Indian touch. The bedrooms have an opulent vibe in them with minimalist grey use combined with cozy printed Indian local fabrics in window blinds, curtains, etc. The recessed yellow lightings and the hand-picked lamps create a drama in the bedrooms. Effort has been made to involve skillful carpenters to craft some fine woodwork. Furniture picked has a variety in terms of design and style. The home also uses a variety of fabrics like ikat and raw silks sourced from the local and award-winning weavers. Walls adorned with exquisite paintings by various artists make it a home that's unique and speak volumes about the personality of the home. Design called in for a lot of changes that ended in achieving a wonderfully functional space. The lavish walk-in wardrobe and the Italian marble toilets adds up to the luxurious vibe of the house. The house is indeed a result of great design strategies and the unique taste of materials and fabrics of the designer. Hope you liked our videos. Please like, subscribe and visit thearchitectsdiary.com for regular updates of such awe-inspiring design and architecture.